We did this.
Yeah, today we got a new toy. So we got a toy car.
Yeah,
That for my brother. And then we got a monster car thing. Yeah, that's true. It is. Yeah, that's mine. Green. We buy this 2 for £15. Not that much, right? Yeah.
Right.
And we got the back here for control.
Yeah.
Right. That's a car.
Yeah.
And they got attraction.
Yeah.
Down here, you need battery for it.
And
You need that later. And then my having same in the bottom. Yeah. What the difference is, that's small and that big, and that's different color. And different style.
Green. Oh.
Yeah. And then yeah.
It is green.
So we have to wait just for battery. So yeah. Okay, wait. While you wait for battery, you have to open it.
What is this? Huh. And what is this though? I don't want. Oh no.
My car is hard to open.
My car.
Look at that. Show him. Show him. Yeah, you see? That's the same car.
Let's open this. Oh my gosh, this is not too hard. One.
It's a bit hard when you open it slightly. Okay, so I got that already. So yeah, thing. It's no battery here. And then no switch.
I want to have black.
Where was switch? Well, really well. And that is probably not screwing at all. So I have to unscrew this. I got a screwdriver. Please tell Grandma to do it. If you don't want this guy. Okay. I might need to take it out. Oh. I think every single car they have it. Toy car. Every single one.
Yeah.
They got it. There we go. It's come off. So look like that.
Oh, this. These need to be turned.
Nah, he got a button that go left, right. I think that's start. Oh no, it's not. Nothing. So they just
This does
forward and
that.
back. Yeah. Well, he already got one. Like, hey guys,
This.
it's kind of like what that not work. So I have to use two of them. One controller. Ready? Watch this. It's so magic. Look at that. I can control 2 cars. You see? One across forward.
And then don't hold my car.
Then go forward. You see? Turn is that. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Left.
Yes. This is my one.
You see?
Don't put my car down here.
Nah, put it up here. Look, Sunny car got a light as well. Oh! The car got a light. You see there? What colour is it, Sunny?
Blue.
No, it's green and red.
And green.
That's it.
Green.
Yeah, I said green.
Not that you move closer.
Try to fly here. You see what I mean? It's cool that my car. That's bigger, number 12.
Ha! Let's read. Here what?
No. Yeah. See? Good. Go. Oh! You see there? There's a 2 car that control. That's a flat tire. It's not real anyway. I thought that's real. No, that's plastic. I want to know what this can do.
Can spin.
You know it can spin, but what can do? Okay, guys. We have so fun with that. New car, new toy. So, see you later. Bye.
Peter. Don't end it.
Peace out. Not pizza.
Peter.
Mhm.